like I am failing as a homeschool mom. Like, I have to do better. If I could just be transparent for 1 second, I would tell you that I kind of stopped homeschooling my daughter back in October. Like, my business started becoming everything in my life, and I stopped homeschooling her. Naturally, that 1 hour a week went to 2 seconds a week that ended up going to 0 times a week. And now here we are at the end of February. She starts kindergarten in August, and I feel like my baby's behind. Whew, child. All right, so I just got off of our parent-teacher conference with my daughter's teacher, and it's been real. It's been real. All right, catching you up. I kind of stopped homeschooling back in October. I know I'm guilty. I sit on here talking to you guys about consistency and all that other good stuff, and boop, I'm guilty of it too. I have completely kind of dropped the ball. I mean, hey, I get it. It's possible, but y'all finna watch me pick this ball back up. Yes. Yes. Let me get this situated, and I will catch you guys up on pretty much what her teacher told me. The conference was very matter of fact. Like, her teacher, I don't know, she doesn't come home with like all the little cutesy stuff. Like, her teacher really teaches the standards. Unfortunately, like, I want the cute stuff. Like, I want like her to come home with, cute arts and crafts, but yeah, not her teacher. But she is learning, and that's one thing I can say, hands down, her teacher's teaching. All right, so she basically stated that my daughter's a little bossy. She's a little bossy. She talks to her friends. She does some things that I see her do all the time. Let me just... All right, there we go. Adjust this. For example, she says D for the letter B, which is very common. But she does say D for D. So she knows D, but she also calls the letter B D. And so there's that. She has her starting on adult sight words. I don't want her like memorizing sight words, but I do kind of want her to learn it the right way. Because half these words she's able to sound out. All right, so she does recognize all her numbers. She can write her last name. Her goal is for her to start reading level A readers. On her teacher documents, it states that she can only count to the letter 14. To the number 14, simply because, yeah, my baby's allergic to 15. She's allergic to the number 15. I don't know what it is we've been doing. All the activities. She learned it. She had it. And did mommy reinforce it? No, mommy did not reinforce it. So you guys, I'm going to start doing what I preach. Watch me watch me get my life together, because I'm determined for my baby to learn how to read by the time she hits kindergarten. Basically, she knows all the pre-K standards, which is great. But she started off ahead. And so the teacher's like, well, yeah, she started off ahead, and now it's like she's like on like a plateau. And I'm like, yeah, because I stopped teaching her at home because I wanted her to learn there because I had a business to run. Oh, but I got to get my life back together because it is really clear that my baby needs me. My baby needs me. Come on.
Dada.
What are you looking for?
We can watch this TV.
All right, well, y'all play for a little bit while mommy does something really important for you, okay?
Okay.
Oh, my eye hurts so bad. All right, y'all. So back in January, I had a really bad eye infection, and I couldn't see for 3 weeks. And so it re-injured itself literally yesterday. And I'm back on eye drops, and I just poured some in. Only it hurts really, really bad right now. It's like it's not getting any better. Versus this morning, by the time I put the drops in my eye, it was better. And so I don't know why right now it's like not getting any better. It's just not. Whew, child. Okay, let's go into my office and try to get some work done while the girls are in there. Oh, and the other the other little girl is my cousin. It's our little cousin. But hey, I was like, come on, baby. Her birthday is on Monday. So her birthday's in 2 days. I don't even know what day of the week it is. But her birthday's on Monday, so she is about to be 3. So her and Kendall get a play date, a cousin date, should I say. All right, y'all. What's wrong? Okay, not right now, baby. Go in there and watch the movie. Go watch the movie. Go watch the movie. I feel like that was like 3 times of go watch the movie. Okay, so here's where we are when it comes to homeschooling. I've dropped the ball. I've dropped the ball, and that's just that. I have been so focused on, providing value, becoming a business owner, and all that other good stuff that somehow along the way I dropped the ball. Her teacher basically said she'd already mastered all the standards grade level wise, but she's not really progressing as fast as she would like. And I was like, but she's already surpassed all of that. And she was like, yes, but you are working with her. I am working with her. And I'm like, yeah, I dropped the ball. My goal for her was to actually have her reading entire, at least level A books by her 5th birthday. But her 1st birthday was in January. So here we are, and it's almost March. So my goal that I want you guys to hold me accountable for is to get her to start reading at least level A or level AA books by August. And so she can do it by August. That way she's entering kindergarten, at least being able to read leveled books. Even though, all my science reading people are like, we're not even doing level books anymore. What is it? You just brought me the iPad? You don't want it anymore? That doggone iPad. She's done decodable books before, but they were very difficult and challenging because she didn't know really how to break down a lot of the sight words. So I was giving her those words. But now we have March, April, May, June, July, 4 months to get my baby reading. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited and ready to be on this journey with me. But the first thing first is we have to create a schedule because my life is just so busy right now that I have to create a schedule that I will be accountable for. So what I am doing is I'm actually going to take my own course within my Teaching by Design program. I teach teachers and homeschool parents how to first create a schedule that is doable for learning. And so I do that with homeschool moms. So what I'm going to do is take my course as a mom. Normally when I'm dealing with the course, I'm always in the lens of an educational consultant. So we are going to take the course and create our schedule as a mom this time, not as an educational consultant. Okay, so in looking at this schedule, I just did the first part. Like, this was everything I needed and more to be a productive mom. So the good thing is I recently just did my new schedule for 2023. So now creating a homeschool schedule. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, baby. Use your words. Tell her not to do that. So now that I have my own schedule for 2023, I can now create a homeschool schedule that works according to the schedule I already have. But as a general rule, I start off trying to improve 60 So, and looking at this schedule, I only have 3 possible days. And I'm glad I watched the recording of this because I needed to hear this for myself, that it only takes about 60 minutes per week. And that's what I teach all of my working moms. 60 minutes per week, and you can have the perfect working homeschool schedule. Ignore the kids. They're like down here coloring now. It's really apparent that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are going to be my homeschool days. And so I'm just going to do 20 minutes per day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then on Sunday, like some weeks, if I have like a really busy week, I could do 2 days of 30 minutes. Yeah, so I'm excited. That's literally all I needed was the accountability of girls. She seems ready to be a big sister, and then we have play dates, and then it seems like she's not ready to be a big sister because she's shutting the doors on people and po baby. po baby. All right, but this is everything I needed. Everything. And I needed to hear that. Like, I needed to hear myself say, all you need is 60 minutes per week. Like, that's doable. Totally doable. So what I think I'm going to do, what I might do is just put homeschool Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the days that I'm going to actually homeschool her. Yes. So yes, that's what we're going to do. Be nice. So this brings us to our next question, which is, what am I going to teach her? During that time, we have done so many assessments of me really trying to understand where she is when it comes to all 5 pillars of reading. So I'm going to do that as in another video. Y'all let me know if there's anything else that y'all want to see behind the scenes when it comes to what I do with her. But I'll include you guys in as much as possible. But her new schedule is going to be homeschooling on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 4 until 5. So the great thing about that, that's before my husband even gets home, so it should be really, really quiet. We're gonna do 20 minutes of mommy explicitly teaching, and then she'll have time to take a break, and then she'll have her independent working time. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited to be on this journey. I really needed this schedule. Like, I really needed this time. I'm about to go enjoy babysitting, so cheers.